Hi, I'm John with Aimco Manufacturing. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our mechanical gripping tools. This tool features a torque lift for up-down controls, power tilt that's incremental for 90 degrees, and clamp and unclamp with a 2-button release. To begin, lower the tool into position. You'll need to squeeze the left trigger to release the brakes at the shoulder, elbow, and wrist joint. When you bottom out the tool, you're ready to clamp. Make sure you continue to pull the brake release so that the tool can square up to the part. The tool is then safe to lift and can be tilted 90 degrees. The part will need to be relieved onto a saddle or a fixture so that any torque put onto the part will not be passed on to the torque lift at the wrist joint. The tool can then be lowered back into the bound position. This tool features a 2-button release for unclamping. The unclamp alone will not release the part. Once the part is lowered down, pull the common trigger and the unclamp at the same time to disengage the clamp. This tool can be used with a variety of parts varying in different internal diameters. Line the part up, engage the clamp, and continue to release the brake while the part is clamping. When your hands are removed from the system, the brakes are engaged and the system cannot be moved. Thank you for watching, and for more product videos, please go to aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel.